I decided to add to my portfolio 2 new cryptocurrencies because I see them as a growth perspective. I believe in a growing popularity, and also I believe that it's a very useful project, and today I'll tell you about them. Hi guys, my name is Maria and my passion is investing. I'm investing in cryptocurrency, stocks and some real estate, and this channel is my online diary. Welcome! So if you want to see any updates about my different investing portfolios and follow my $1,000,000 journey, like, subscribe, hit that bell and feel free to send me at least $1,000 to my crypto wallet. I'm just kidding, of course, about the last one, but I hope you can afford at least 3 tasks. Let's go straight to the point. I never buy cryptocurrency blindly without first learning at least something about it. And the first project that I'm interested in is Anchor. What is Anchor Network? Anchor provides a management platform for cloud computing resources, building an ecosystem of resource demanders, resource providers, application developers, consumers, and more. Anchor is an Ethereum token that powers Anchor, a Web3 infrastructure and cross-chain staking DeFi platform that aims to make it easy and affordable for anyone to participate in blockchain ecosystems by building dApps, decentralized applications, hosting nodes, or staking. The market cap is $949.3 million. We also can see trading activity here over the past 24 hours. 62% are buying Anchor now and 38% are selling. By the time I'm recording this video, here is the price per coin. Well, it can be good price to buy. Let's see the Anchor's website. Here you can find a lot of useful information to make your own research. Always do it, guys. Don't just buy blindly, please. So as you can see, they say we support more than 40 blockchain protocols for staking or developing purposes. Here you can learn more about staking nodes, developer apples, enterprise solutions, and let's go to the About Us information, our story. Here you can find a lot of interesting stuff they provide. Web3 revolutionizes the internet as we know and use it. The next phase of the internet is based on distributed networks, which make the new generation of platforms, applications, and services more private, secure, reliable, and censorship resistant. Our mission is to make Web3 easy to use for everyone. We make participating in, building on, and using blockchains and protocols easy and accessible for everyone. We are a globally distributed company with industry connections around the world, providing us with detailed insights into Web3 trends. Democratizing Web3 for everyone. We strive to improve user experience, streamline processes, and reduce costs for everyone to participate in Web3 technologies. The Anchor token acts as a payment method on the platform and will play an essential role in our decentralized staking protocol, STKR. Well guys, there is a lot of information you can learn by yourself. I just love this project. I believe it will be useful and helpful, and it will increase in value, of course. So I'm adding thousands of Anchor to my portfolio and I will keep you updated. Let's see my second favorite coin for now, and it is Celo. Maybe not all of you have heard a lot about this cryptocurrency, but it is also invented in order to be a great benefit to people, and I think in the near future we will see it. Here is Celo's website, global payments infrastructure built for mobile. Let's click to Start Building button. Celo overview. Celo's aim is to empower anyone with a smartphone anywhere in the world to have access to financial services, send money to phone numbers, and pay merchants on a decentralized platform that is operated by a community of users. To achieve this, Celo is a complete stack of new blockchain software, core libraries that run on that blockchain, and end-user applications, including a wallet app that communicate with that logic. This page provides some background on blockchain technology and explores the Celo software stack. And we have tons of information here. But what I really wanted to show you is this news. Phone giant Deutsche Telekom invests in Celo's crypto network. In the first for the telecom industry, phone giant Deutsche Telekom is investing in crypto infrastructure. The deal will see Deutsche Telekom support and build Silo infrastructure. Silo's co-founder sees more telecom companies investing in crypto. The German telco giant did not disclose the size of the investment, but a corporate executive told that the token purchase was significant. The company is also investing in infrastructure to support the Silo network, which is working to build a decentralized version of Venmo-style peer-to-peer payment platforms. It is a challenge to see how, specifically, the phone giant plans to integrate Silo's crypto features. For instance, will the arrangement lead the company promote Silo to its millions of European customers? I think these guys understand quite well what are they doing, so the future for Silo is really great. And the price is not yet that high, therefore Silo is a significant part of my crypto portfolio. I also want to thank to one of my subscribers who reached me on Instagram and sent me this t-shirt after he saw my video about Scrooge McDuck. You can also check it out here if you want, if you like Scrooge McDuck, of course. Thank you so much, I really appreciate it. Remember guys, you can also DM me on my Instagram. I'm trying to answer all the messages there, and I will leave a link below for you down in the description. And let me know down below in the comments, what do you think about these cryptocurrencies? I will keep you updated about my portfolio. Take care, stay safe, bye!